Hey guys, let me show you how I made this super crispy fried chicken. I'm gonna start off with about 10 leg and thigh. They were cut up and cleaned with lime and vinegar. And for seasoning, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And then I'm gonna massage that in properly. Ensure you evenly distribute the seasoning on the chicken. So yeah, it's really important to mix that in well. Your chicken should look like this when it's seasoned. And then I'm gonna get the flour ready. So I'm gonna season about 2 cups of flour with 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Then I'm gonna also use 2 cups of plain flour and about 2 cups of ice cold water. I'm gonna dip the chicken in the plain flour first and ensure it's properly coated. I'm gonna dip each side in the cold water, and then I'm gonna dip the chicken in the seasoned flour. And you want to ensure the chicken is properly covered with the seasoned flour. And after that, you're going to repeat the process for all the chicken pieces that you have, and you're going to let it rest for about 10 minutes while the oil heats. So I'm gonna heat my oil. I'm not using a fryer, I'm using my Dutch pot, and then I'm gonna add about almost half pot of oil, because when you're frying french fried chicken you need to use a lot of oil. You can't use little bit of oil because sometimes it won't come out as good as you want it to be. So then after adding my oil, I'm gonna let that heat up on about a little over medium heat. Don't turn the heat up too high, because when you put your chicken in, it will burn. So a little over medium heat, and you let that heat up to about 200 or 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Once that is heated, you're gonna add your chicken, and you see how the chicken is covered by the oil all the way. That's how you want to do when you're french frying chicken. You want the chicken to be fully covered. So after I add the chicken, I'm going to let that fry for about 20 minutes. And by the way guys, because the thighs are so big, I went ahead and broke the bone of the thigh so that the chicken can soak properly when it's frying and that it won't come out raw. So when you are working with like a big thigh, you want to break out that bone to ensure that it fries properly. So this is after 20 minutes, and your chicken should be golden brown like this, and it has a really crispy skin. It was so delicious, well seasoned. And after I took that out, I added the other batch of chicken. You don't want to overcrowd your pot, so you're just gonna add about 4 or 5 pieces each time, because you don't want the pot to slow down the cooking process. So after my chicken is fried, I went ahead and paired it with some rice, some peas, some sweet and chili gravy, and then I add a side of vegetables. And let me tell you guys, this dinner was so delicious. I hope you try this fried chicken recipe. I hope it helps you, and let me tell you, stick around for more recipes, and I'll see you next time.